This is Dr. John Trudson. I'll be talking about a little bit about the astronomy class, what's coming up here, because we have the first exam that's in progress. Most of you are doing pretty well on that, so I'm not going to address that too much. If you do have any questions, you can email me at jtrudson@bemidji State.edu, excuse me. And all right, so for this class, just going over some of the things, make sure everybody's got it. All right, so what we have for the course, we're using the book. The essential cosmic perspective. And I'm currently using the 7th edition, which is fine. There might be a newer one. We're using the entire book. I also have all the chapter PowerPoint handouts. Posted as PDF files, a related test. So that's the first part. What we also have here for the course, so I'll leave this up for a minute. Again, jtrudson@bemidjistate.edu. I want to be able to use some room up here for class. So, all right, now the way this is going to work, I've just updated the syllabus as of today. And what we have here for the syllabus, we have 4 exams, all right? And there will be a chapter review quiz for each one, 4 exams, lowest dropped. All right, you'll have 2 attempts for each test, and you'll know your overall score for each test, but not the individual scores. So before those, that's worth 35% of the grade. Then we're going to have 10 video quizzes. No, actually, I'll be worth 25%. 10 video quizzes. And what I will have, you'll notice on the chapters on the links for videos, there'll be a link for each one. So there'll be a link, plus questions posted. And then you'll submit it as a quiz. So then there'll be a quiz that you'll submit on that. All right? And you'll get 2 attempts for each one of those. All right, also we have 11% will be discussion postings. All right, and these are the only ones that are not submitted as grade. There's discussions, there's a topic, and there's a link for each one. The topics are usually open to 2 weeks. There'll be about 15 topics. You need to have 11 submissions, and that includes either your own post or responding to some other's post with a reasonable thing as far as that's concerned. All right, there is some extra credit for doing more than a required minimum of 11. So if you want to do that. And then 14% for the chapter review quizzes. And then finally, there will be the final exam. The 15% final exam on all the topics. All right. I also will probably be having the telescope out here a few times. Once it starts getting fall here, in the next couple weeks, I might take it out. Leave a couple here. Those would be just voluntary things. You want to come out, send a note, an email out to everybody as far as that's concerned. So that's a course test. This will be just one attempt as far as that's concerned. All right. And I should say there will be links for each of the video quizzes. They do have a tendency to change now and then. Last time I checked, they all are working. Most of them are YouTube links. So they're very good programs as far as the videos are concerned. They're about 50 to 60 minutes in length. Keep in mind the due dates for all assignments. All right? When they open, when they close. So you need to stay on top of this class at least about every 2 or 3 days, in my opinion. If you go too long or listen to somebody else, all on the schedule, all of the assignments are posted with the exact opening and closing time of assignments. So make sure you pay attention to that, because I'm not going to extend anything. I did extend exam 1 until Saturday, but that's just to get things started with this semester. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, again, this is Science 2100 for fall 2020.